Good morning, my beautiful friends. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you what I have been doing while staying home. This is my morning routine that every morning I drink ginger lemon water, and that's how I start my day. I love drinking ginger and lemon water in the morning. That makes me feel so fresh and I don't know, maybe energetic. After I drink that, I will take a little break and then I will make my coffee. I don't drink coffee every day, but sometimes I like to drink, sometimes I don't like to drink. When if I don't like to drink, I'll just drink ginger and lemon hot water. That's all I drink. And this is my coffee. I love the Starbucks cup and I always use them. After I drink my coffee, I start workout and I like to work out in the morning. So I usually work out in the morning and I follow my Orange Theory at home workout. And also sometimes I do the Orange Theory workout and also I search abs or legs or arms, some different workout on YouTube, and I just work out for like maybe hour or a little bit more than hour or sometimes maybe 30 minutes. It's depend upon my body and how I feel, but I do work out every day, and if I don't work out I feel I don't know, guilty. You that I work out for my mind and soul, then I don't focus myself to like be skinny or thin. I focus myself to stay healthy and active, and it makes my heart happy too. So I love working out. After workout, I'm thinking to do my nails today. So before I do my nails, I wanna put my coconut oil, my hair oil in my hair, and then leave it in my hair, and then do my nails so it will stay there. This is what I'm doing, and these are the nails that polish that I decided to use today. I'm thinking to use pink and purple because it's a spring, and why not to use both nail polish, right? Because I love both colors and I can't decide it, so I decided to use both of them. And I do a little bit of myself manicure. I'm not perfect, but I just try to do what I know. And here is my little manicure at home manicure, and yeah, I enjoy doing my nails at home. It's a very relaxing and therapeutic to me. I love just paint my nails and relax my brain. These are the very easy steps to do, just like file your nails, soak your nails in a little lukewarm water and clean your nails. Just a very easy steps, and I love doing this. After I clean my nails and everything, I put a little bit lotions on my hand and give a quick massage, and I wipe it down all the cream from my nails, and then I put the base coat. The reason for cleaning the cream from my nails is that to last the paint longer. Base coat is must, so make sure that you use the base coat so your nail polish will last a little longer. And after I put the base coat, I use my SC gel nail polish, and I love this nail polish. They last a little longer and it doesn't chip that quickly. So I love this color. Purple is one of my favorite color, and it's a spring, and I think it's just perfect for this season. after I paint both my fingers, I wait for a little bit to dry and then apply top coat. Top coat is must because it will give your nail polish that shiny and finished look, and also it lasts a little longer. It won't chip your nail polish that easy. I use the SC gel top coat, and here is my final nail polish product looks. Now it's time for lunch. I am making a smoothie. I did this before I paint my nails. So usually in the afternoon I decide not to eat too many heavy stuff, so I just drink a smoothie. Today I decide to make a smoothie with apples and berries and a handful of spinach and also a little bit of the almond milk for liquid, and that's all for my lunch, and it was so delicious. Next time I'm thinking not to put blackberries because the seed was really bothering me. So next time I will just maybe put some strawberries or blueberries, but not the blackberries. I didn't like it. So that's for my lunch. Since I'm staying home, I decided to drink a cup of tea in the afternoon because this is a tradition in my home back home in Nepal. And every time when I drink this kind of tea, it's remind me of my mom, my sister, and brothers. This tea is very easy to make. Just the water, milk, loose tea, and I did not add any sugar. You can add sugar too, and I just add a small stick of cinnamon and the cardamom, and it tastes delicious. Now, time for me to just have a cup of tea and relax and enjoy my outside view. Now it's time for dinner. I am making a salad, and I'm trying to make a lot of food tonight because we have lots of vegetables and everything is like looks like getting bad. So I'm thinking to make all those vegetables and everything. This is just a salad, and I use balsamic vinaigrette, and also in my salad I love these things. Everything's bagel seasoning, and that's the salad preparation. Today's dinner I made a pork chop and rice with cilantro and lime, and also some veggie stew and asparagus. Whatever is left in the freeze, I just cooked everything because they all look very sad, so I just need to cook everything and I can maybe put them for a leftover. That's all from my dinner. I forgot to film the video that how the dinner tastes. It was delicious, and that's all for today's video, guys. If you like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. I love you guys. See you next week.